Hi guys, today we are learning how to create an account in DeepSeek AI. First, unlock your phone and open the Play Store or App Store on iPhone. Now search for DeepSeek AI in the search bar. Once you find it, download and install the app on your phone. Now open the DeepSeek AI app after installation. When the app launches, you will see the Welcome or Login screen. Now tap on the Sign Up option at the bottom of the screen. This is used when you are creating a new account from scratch. Here you will be asked to enter your email and password. So continue step by step without skipping anything. Now enter your email address in the required field. After that, create a strong password and confirm it again. Make sure you remember your password for future login. Then proceed to the next step. Now DeepSeek will send a verification code to your email. Open your email inbox and copy that code carefully. Enter the code in the app to verify your account. This step is important for account security. After verification, tap on Create Account or Continue button. You can also use Continue with Google or Apple ID if available. Once confirmed, your account will be successfully created. Now you are ready to use DeepSeek AI. And that's how you can easily create an account in DeepSeek AI step by step. Now, you can start using it for chatting, learning, and productivity tasks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more easy tech guides.